Good day everyone. I am Varsha Devakar and I am here to help you in writing C programs. I will also explain you basic of C language which everyone should know. The video is prepared during my online industrial training at Pure CSS in July 2020. So let's start. So hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you about how to run a Hello World program in C language. So first you have to open Dev C++ compiler. So first we have to write a header file that is hash include stdio.h. This is a preprocessor command that includes standard input-output header files from C library before compiling a C program. So here I write one more header file that is hash include conio.h. So conio.h stands for console input output. So next we have to write int main. Int is the main function from where execution start of any C program. Every C program begins with a main function. So यहाँ पर हमारा int का मतलब है कि हमारा मेन फंक्शन इंटीजर वैल्यू में लिखा गया है और जो मेन फंक्शन मेन है वो हमारा फंक्शन का नेम है. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट curly brackets. Curly brackets, this indicates about the beginning of main function within brackets. So we have to write statements. So इस प्रोग्राम में हमें सिर्फ कुछ प्रिंट करके देखना है, तो उसके लिए हम एक फंक्शन का यूज़ कर रहे हैं जो कि stdio.h हमें प्रोवाइड करवा रहा है एंड दैट फंक्शन कॉल्ड printf. Within brackets or double quotes we have to write specific string that we want to print on screen. So here I write hello world. And then semicolon. Semicolon is very important because every C statement ends with a semicolon. So next we have to write is get ch. This command waits for any character input from keyboard. The get ch is basically stands for get character. It is used to hold the screen output. So next we have to write return 0. So now we have to write return keyword to return some value and then 0. So now curly brackets off. This indicates the end of main functions. So now save program, compile it and run it. So Control SS for save the program. So here I saving the program. दिवाकर वर्षा .cpp. जब भी आप सी का प्रोग्राम सेव कर रहे हो तो आपको आगे CPP लगाना ज़रूरी है. सो अब मैं अपना प्रोग्राम रन करा के दिखाती हूँ. सो F11 इज़ फॉर रन द प्रोग्राम. So here is our output, hello world, as you can see there. So, thanks for watching video.